I head on my longest bikepacking trip ever. Over 3 days and 2 nights.
It's been a nice cycle actually. I've enjoyed it down these little country lanes.
As I try to see at least 4 of the county's famous castles. These medieval structures have always fascinated me. I try my first ever wild camp.
Yeah, this is not good.
And battle against cold headwinds.
So I am on the outskirts of Newcastle. I am on an epic bikepacking trip, my biggest so far. I'm going from Newcastle to Berwick upon Tweed, and from there I'm going to see if I can view at least 4 of the Northumberland castles. I'm camping at campsites along the way, 2 campsites. My first one is near the town of Warkworth, and I just think that's going to be lovely. So wish me luck. Let's see if I can see these 4 castles.
The plan is to cycle for about 140 kilometres north along or near the coast of Northumberland over 2 nights and 3 days, stopping along the way to view at least 4 of the county's famous castles. I'll follow country roads, coastal paths and National Cycle Route 1 from the outskirts of Newcastle to Berwick upon Tweed.
Going along the river, I thought it looked really nice and green. I thought it would be bike friendly, but maybe not so much. But there's a lovely river down there. I'm just going to see how it goes and see where it gets me. Okay, I'm ready. Let's go. I don't know if this is a good idea or not, but just going to see where this path takes me. Oh my god. Nearly fell off the cliff. I mean, it was just impossible with my bike. So many stairs and little bridges, and the hills were so steep. What you need is a mountain bike to go up and down there. So I've turned around and I'm going to have to go back on the road. And also I'm quite worried about not making it to the first campsite on time. So I'm going to head now back on the road and hope that that will start getting me to the first campsite. The first castle I would like to see is Warkworth Castle, which I think I will be able to see today. So that's really, really exciting for me. It's about 50 kilometers or so from where I started in Newcastle, well, on the outskirts of. So hopefully everything will go smoothly from now after my little detour. I am looking forward to getting to my campsite. Got all these guys. Hey. Pitching up my tent, making some dinner and relaxing for the evening. Bye, sheep. I fell in the hole. Oh my god. Yeah. What an arrival. Poor bike. Oh, don't think country life is for me. Maybe it's not for me. No. I don't even know how that happened. fell down great. Anyway, I'm gonna go and check in. It's very cozy in here. I love it. This is a brand new tent. It's the first time I'm actually using it, and so far I love it. I can set up in it. I just think it's great. Loads of space. Got my hand sanitizer in there. Another little pocket for a phone. It's a nice big storage area up there. And there's some more in there. Got my sleeping bag, my little blanket, Nemo pillow, and I'm all cozy and ready to have my dinner and go to sleep. Until tomorrow for hopefully 3 more castles. I slept really well last night. It was great. And I was not cold and it was perfect. I love that campsite. Highly recommend. Warkmill Farm, sorry. Absolutely amazing campsite. The sheep woke me up this morning, 6:30, alarm call. That was nice. So the plan for today is to head to Alnwick Castle. It's only a 45-minute cycle, but I reckon it will take me an hour and 15 minutes. It always seems to take me a half an hour longer than what Google Maps says. After that, it's Dunstanburgh Castle, and then to my next campsite, where I will camp for the evening before going to see the final castle tomorrow, and then heading home. So wish me luck. So I have successfully viewed my second castle, Alnwick Castle. Loved it. Now on my way to number 3. And hopefully when I get there, I can also have some lunch. Onwards and upwards.
Coming up in part 2.
I've been so hungry but haven't been able to find food.
I search for a secret and unspoiled beach. I try wild camping for the first time.
Yeah, this is not good.
And strong headwinds up the Northumberland coast start taking a toll.
Found a place to stop. It's quiet.
But will I complete my goal of seeing 4 castles?